I am Rajkumar Sharma from Jaipur, Rajasthan. Now we are discussing on the class 10th mathematics topic, chapter number 1.2, and the question is prove that root 2 is an irrational number. Okay, so what is the method to prove root 2 is an irrational number? One thing, 2 is a prime number, so easily we can say the square root of 2 is not a complete number, so it's prime, we know, but we have to prove it by the method. So according to the NCERT book class 10th, I am solving this question that root 2 is an irrational number. The base of this question is contradiction method to prove root 2 is irrational. So now I am solving this question. The solution of this question is, first of all, let root 2 is a rational number. Okay, a rational number. Rational number means if root 2 is a rational number, it means any two integers a and b are exist such that we can say that a upon b is equals to root 2 according to the definition of irrational number. So two integer a and b are such that a upon b is root 2 where a and b are co-prime numbers. Okay, co-prime numbers means no any factor is common between a and b. Our assumption that a and b are two integer numbers where b is not equal to 0. Okay, b is not equal to 0, one thing, and most thing is that a and b are co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers means, again I am saying that a and b do not have a common factor. Okay, a common divisor. Okay, so the first thing is that a upon b is equals to root 2. The statement a upon b is root 2 is saying that if we divide a by the b, we will get the answer root 2. Okay, so in the square root we have a trouble to solve the questions. So now I am squaring these numbers. So the a square upon b square is 2, because we know the table and multiple of 2 easily. So we are squaring the equation number 1, first relation. We have a upon b. So the question, why I am squaring the number? Because root 2, we don't know the multiplicative numbers of root 2, and root 2 का table भी हमें नहीं पता. So I am squaring the number. So this statement gives us a square is divisible. A square is divisible by b square. Okay, the meaning of this statement is a square is divisible by b square. Okay, it means simply we can say a is also divisible by b square, one thing. Okay, the next step of this question is, just a minute, wait, that a square upon b square is 2. It means b square divides a square and also a, and if we write it a square upon 2 is equals to b square, it gives us that a square is divisible by 2. And the next statement is a is also divisible by 2. Okay, not it. If square of any number, okay, square of any number is divisible by any another number, it means the number is also divisible by the x. Okay, means if 49 is divisible by 7, it means 7 is also divisible by 7, common thing. I am saying if 81 is divisible by 3, then the 9, which is the square root of 81, is also divisible by 3. In other words, we can say if 36 is divisible by 3, then the square of 36 is also divisible by 3. That is the mean of this statement. Okay, so next step is, okay, so a is divisible by 2. Let another integer c is exist as that c is multiple of 2. Okay, multiple of 2. So I am considering here a is equals to c, means मुझे क्या करना है, जो a है इस a को मुझे, ये डिविजिबल है 2 से, सो वी कैन से इट्स अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 2. तो c इज मल्टीपल ऑफ 2, मैंने यहाँ पे इसको अलग से बता दिया है. तो a इज c एंड c की वैल्यू क्या होगी, 2m होगी. सो नाउ द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज putting the a equals to c. c is multiple of 2, so we can write it 2c. Okay, so a is, I am putting a equals to 2c in equation number 1. Where is the equation number 1? Equation number 1 is here. Okay, so 2c square upon 2 equals to b square. 4c square upon 2 is equals to b square, cancellation 2 time, so we have 2c square equals to b square, or we can say that c square is b square upon 2. इस 2 को ट्रांसफर कर दिया इधर, तो c square equals to b square upon 2. ओके, तो अब ये वाली जो स्टेटमेंट हमारे पास में आता है, इट्स गिव अस दैट b square is divisible by 2. Also b is divisible by 2. Okay, first we have that a is divisible by 2, we can say a is multiple of 2, and now we are saying that b is multiple of 2. Okay, a भी b का मल्टीपल और b भी, a जो है वो भी 2 का मल्टीपल और b भी 2 का मल्टीपल. और हमने जो बात की थी यहाँ पे वो क्या था, a and b are co-prime numbers, means they don't have any common factor. But now we have, अभी क्या है हमारे पास में कि a भी जो है वो 2 का मल्टीपल है. ओके, और b is also multiple of 2. So now our assumption that अभी क्या आ रहा है, a is multiple of 2 and b is also multiple of 2. Okay, so the assumption that a and b are co-prime, it's going wrong. Okay, a and b are co-prime, it's going wrong. So a and b are not exist for a upon b equals to रूट 2. तो ऐसा पॉसिबल नहीं है. ओके, तो हमने क्या माना था, हमने माना था रूट 2 इज a rational number. Okay, but now the assumption is going wrong. So by contradiction we can say that root 2 is cannot be rational. So root 2 is an irrational number. Okay, so the next video will be on the HCF. Okay, thank you.